Rating my Jamaican wife. Food fufu.
Ladies and gentlemen, this food was made under 15 minutes.
Why you try to embarrass me?
Because in my village, when we are doing this food, we take a lot of time.
It's not under 15 minutes.
Although maybe because
And this is fish.
maybe this one is already pre-made,
No, I made it. It's plantain fufu.
and maybe because in the village we used to make a lot because of the whole family have to eat.
Okay, rate.
Because this is just a one
Okay,
person's
rate
ration.
my
This
soup
might
now.
be somehow a little quantity and needs less time to cook.
Yeah, right. Don't try to embarrass me.
Let me see. Looks nice. Yes. Yeah.